I've had my black friends be frowned upon from their family because they dated a white woman. I've had my white friends frowned upon because they dated a black woman, black guy, Mexican, Asian, it didn't matter.
Here on base, or in town, or in the corporate world, I will be the only or one of few black men in the room. This is my reality. If I flee right now, am I wrong? Am I giving him an excuse to put me in harm?
And then at the end, when he called his mother, I just laid on the ground and cried. There was nothing, my husband couldn't console me.
But we live together. We live and breathe and work together.
We're not asking for you to know what we go through.
Say his name. Breonna Taylor, 26 years old. Say her name. Sandra Bland, 28 years old. Trayvon Martin, 17 years old. George Floyd, 46.
Our voices must be heard in order for change to happen. Seeing politicians, businesses, police officers, friends and family in the community speak up in an unprecedented display of unity fills me with great joy and gratitude. We are strong together.
We allow these differences to keep us apart rather than looking for commonality and coming together.
God bless you. Let us continue to lean on each other. Let us continue to empower each other. Let us continue to uplift each other. Do not ever give up hope. God bless you all.